Okay, so got a lot of inbox messages from people that were not happy about the video that I made about ugly people, and I figured that mhlambi ingxaki is the word ugly. So let me try and rephrase this. Imagine that looks were restaurants or food outlets. Omini Dlamini, Amanda DuPont would be like your Grazia, your Primi, and Opoiti would be like a Spur or a Nando's, and Ubonang would be like a KFC, but a KFC in the upstairs, yeah, but like a glorified one. You and I would be a hungry lion. And this is how you should know that you probably have a hungry lion face or are a hungry lioner. If people came to visit you as a baby and you were like 2 or 3 months old, and the only thing they could say was, "Oh, he's got such a beautiful personality." As a 2-month-old baby, if the only thing was your personality, you're probably a hungry lioner. If you go to a supermarket or any retail store and the security guard follows you around, you are probably a hungry lioner too. Hungry lioners need to accept their hungry lionliness, and I've had time to deal with my hungry lionliness. When I was a kid, I was about 7, 8 or 9 in the early 80s, and kwakholando yoba abazali nge-Sunday month, and they would call a cameraman, kuhlanjwe abantwana, and they would take pictures of everybody. That happened in my family too, and into eyayisenzeka was that xa sesiphosile sithi sesimile siready and the cameraman is about to click, my mother would say, "Bantu mntanam, ndicela uyokwenzela mna notata akho ikofu, yaqonda? Ndicela ke mntanam uligado labisi lungachithekele estovini, kunzima uklina ubisi oluchithekele estovini mntanam." And when I came out like 15 minutes later, the cameraman was gone, umgili uZakaria. Right there and then, I should have known I'm a hungry lioner. I've dealt with it. I even have an anthem for it. Now, all my hungry lioners, sing it with me. Ngimubi, ngidlula nengulube ebusweni, kodwa ngimuhle phakathi. Ngimubi. Sing it, hungry lioners. You know, deal with it. Sharp, sharp.